Hello, in this video we're gonna check the camera megapixels on Huawei P10 Lite. To do this, we'll need to visit our website hardreset.info. Here scroll down and look for read more. Then it should reveal basic information and we need to scroll down again till we see our camera parameters. Then it should be in multimedia. Here it is. The main camera is 11.81 megapixels and the second camera is 7.99 megapixels. So the front one is a second camera and the rear one is the first camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.